Is quitting milk being vegan? People say I don't drink milk but still continue to wear a leather belt or a leather shoe. Are they vegans? Veganism is not a practice but an ideology. It is not something that you practice, it is something that you believe in. Cow as a mother in India is worshipped and prayed, which is very similar to the human being. A cow's average life is from 18 to 22 years, but when it comes to giving birth, it takes 9 months, which is as good as a human baby. It milks for the period of 3 to 6 months. But what do we do? For our own benefit, we use artificial machineries so that the cow continues to produce milk. What is the process of milking the cow? The calf is brought close to the mammary glands of the mother. The innocent, holy mother cow believes that she is ready to breastfeed her calf. But suddenly, the calf is removed and the mammary glands are inserted with machines so that milking can take place. As far as the human baby is concerned and the growth of the human baby, a milk is required as far as the mother can breastfeed the baby. Post that, it is said that the human body for development does not require milk. In the ancient times, it is believed that when a woman could not breastfeed a child for various reasons, then it was suggested that you replace the mother's milk from a cow's milk, because a cow's milk has 3 times more protein. But what do? We continue consuming the milk after the entire growth has taken place. Cows in the dairy industry suffer for their entire life. The animal is forced to endure all this without anesthesia. They endure the agony of their calf being taken away over and over, and their bodies given out from stress of constant milking. Is it right for us as a race to intervene in the natural evolutionary process and keep a cow in a state of post-pregnancy for her entire life just for our benefit?